What's up guys, we are currently here in the streets of Cebu City and we are participating in the Worldwide Photo Walk 2017. So I'm here with the Cebu Mobile Shutterbugs. So mag-photo walk na guys, pwedeng inita kaayo. And yeah, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Ha! Hey uncle! Hi! Muna na yung sasakit na ka. Muna siya admin sa CMS.
Ayun na guys,
ayun.
follow the guys.
So we are here at the Carbon Market and we are actually having a quick break. Nangaon sila og hotdog niya, kami kinaramid sa atbang. Ay, hindi tapes.
Ilisig mineral water, martin nga kayo. Sa nagkampay ra bukalon para buko. Wala ko inakwan. Kapit naman siya mo kuan, start mo.
This is Bantayan! Why? I'm so tired. So tired.
Oil o kanang alcohol. Say 15 pesos ang oil. Oh.
Anong meron dito? Bakit nagkakagulo? Nagkakagulo.
Basta tayo.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.